iFinance, one of India's leading MSME-focused middle-layer NBFCs, is coming up with its IPO. The IPO opens on 9 February and closes on 11 February 2026, with a price band set between 122 and 129 rupees. iFinance provides small-ticket business loans to underserved micro-scale MSMEs in semi-urban areas. The company works on a phygital model that combines digital capabilities with a physical network of over 568 branches. As of 30th September 2025, the company's AUM stood at 6,027 crore rupees, indicating a 21% year-on-year growth. Some strengths of the company include having the largest active customer base of around 6 lakh users and the widest geographic presence across 28 states among all its peers. An important risk to consider is that the company faces the risk of default by borrowers, particularly because it serves micro-scale businesses. Coming to the financials, revenue has jumped around 40% from 1,040 crore rupees in FY24 to 1,459 crore rupees in FY25, while the net profit has jumped around 2% from 171 crore rupees in FY24 to 175 crore rupees in FY25. Looking at the valuations based on FY25, the stock trades at a price-to-book multiple of 2, while its peers like 5-Star Business Finance, SBFC Finance and Bajaj Finance are trading at a price-to-book multiple of 2, 3 and 6 respectively. Lastly, the IPO is a mix of fresh issue and offer for sale with a total size of 1,010 crore rupees. The company intends to utilize 710 crore rupees from the fresh issue to strengthen its capital base. And that's about it. Let us know in the comments if you are subscribing for this IPO.